In this video, I'm going to show you 4 different super tasty veg sandwiches. For those, if we are meeting for the first time, this is Ashwini and welcome back to Lazatdar Recipe. In my channel, I always try to bring time-tested and authentic recipes from all over the world. Sandwiches are a great choice for breakfast, brunch, light dinner as it gets ready in just a couple of minutes. You can definitely impress your guests with these 4 different variety of sandwiches. From these 4 sandwiches, the second sandwich which I called as a rainbow sandwich is my favorite one. You have to tell me which one you like the most by commenting in the description box. Before starting our recipe, consider subscribing Lazatdar Recipe and press bell icon so you don't miss any newly added recipe from my channel. So let's move to kitchen and start with the cheese corn spinach sandwich. In a pan, take some oil, about a teaspoon. When the oil is hot, add roughly chopped spinach leaves. Saute the spinach leaves until the leaves get little soft. No need to cook them, just saute a little bit. Add some freshly boiled sweet corns. You can use frozen sweet corns or you can get a fresh one. These are simply boiled, there is no salt added to it. Once they are nicely roasted, add some pepper, some Italian seasoning. You can add any Italian herbs that you have. If you don't have, that's perfectly fine. It's optional, but Italian herbs gives a nice taste to sandwich. Add some salt. Give it a mix. Finally, add some shredded cheese. Cheese gives a very nice taste and it gives a juicy texture to this filling. After adding cheese, there is no need to cook this, just saute it. It gives a very good binding to our filling. Now our spinach corn cheese is almost ready. I will just take it into the bowl. Take some butter and apply to the bread. You can use any sandwich bread. If you want, you can remove the edges. I'm keeping them as I love them. Let's fill the filling on the bread. This looks very good. Add some cheese. You can sprinkle some more cheese onto this filling. Finally, close the sandwich and press it little hard so that the filling does not come out of the bread. Apply some butter on both sides of the bread. Now, just put it into any griller that you have or any sandwich maker. I will grill it for about a minute. It's been a minute. Let's check out the sandwich. You can see it is beautifully crisp. Let's cut it. The bread is nicely crisp and grilled from both sides. Now you can see the beautiful, juicy, crispy spinach cheese corn toast sandwich is ready. Serve it with your favorite ketchup. I'm sure you will definitely like this. Next is corn capsicum sandwich. As I said, it's my favorite. Let's start. For this, let's take some oil in the pan. When the oil is hot, add finely chopped red capsicum, finely chopped yellow capsicum, and add some finely chopped green capsicum and saute it for a minute. We will not cook this too much. Add some boiled sweet corns. As you can see, there's different beautiful colors. That's why I call it as a rainbow sandwich. Let's add some pepper. some salt as per taste, and next is Italian herbs. You can add any Italian herbs that you have. If you don't have, that's fine, it's an optional step. Let's mix it. Our filling is ready. Apply some butter to bread. You can use a brown bread or a multigrain bread instead of a white bread, and you can also use a low fat butter just to maintain its nutrition value. Let's put the filling. And now add some cheese. I'm adding mozzarella cheese. You can add as much as cheese you like. Kids generally love cheese in the sandwich. Let's press it. And our sandwich is now ready to go into the grill. I'm going to grill it for about a minute and a half from both sides. Let's check up the sandwich. Oh, it's beautifully done. Our bread is nicely grilled from both sides. Let's take it out. Now I would like to show you the beautiful rainbow colors. Look at it. It's so beautiful. It's super juicy, super crunchy. Definitely try this rainbow sandwich. You can increase the quantity of cheese if you are making it for kids, as cheese is good for kids since it is a source of protein, and you can serve it with your favorite ketchup or mayonnaise. Let's move to another grilled sandwich recipe. Main ingredient for this is cottage cheese, also known as Dutch cheese or Indian paneer, and I'm going to call this as Paneer Toasty. Let's add some butter to the pan. When the butter melts, add some finely chopped onion and saute it for a minute. We will not cook this onion too much, just saute it in the butter. Next, add some green capsicum. You can also add red capsicum if you want. Some green chilies. Add some crumbled paneer. For this recipe, I am going to add couple of Indian spices which gives a very nice and tangy flavor to this sandwich filling. It's a garam masala powder. It's from Everest. These spices are easily available in any Indian store, so I always recommend to use them. Let's add some chaat masala powder, some black pepper crushed, and some salt as per taste. Finally, add some grated cheese. Paneer and cheese gives a great combination together, and when we add this garam masala, chaat masala, it makes this filling super delicious. Let's add some coriander. Now our paneer is cooked and our filling is ready. Let's apply some butter to the bread. And let's put our filling. Let's close the sandwich and press it. If you want, You can make it in a grill or sandwich maker. I'm going to make this on a pan. Let's brush the pan with some butter. I'm going to put my sandwich and I will toast it from both sides. Lightly press it. It will take about 2 minutes on a medium flame. If you want, you can use a clarified butter just to toast this sandwich. It has been 2.5 minutes and our sandwich is ready. Let's cut it. As you can see, our spicy and tangy yummy paneer toasty is ready. I'm garnishing it with a cheese and you can serve it and definitely impress your guests or friends with this. It's ready for you. This is the last one, simple vegetable layered sandwich. It gets ready in just couple of minutes and mostly all the material needed for this is usually available in our kitchen. Apply some butter to bread on both the breads and apply some mint chutney, or we can also call it as a mint dip, to one of the breads. Next, arrange some boiled potato. Arrange some tomatoes. And finally, garnish some slices of cucumber. Add some salt. And lastly, add some cheese. You can use a cheese slice if you want. And just press it. You can eat the sandwich as it is. I'm going to grill this. Look how beautifully the sandwich is sizzling. It has been a minute and our sandwich is ready. Oh, that's beautifully done from both sides. Let's cut it. And our simply layered veg sandwich is ready to eat. You can serve it hot with the ketchup or mint dip. There you go. The simple, delicious and quick sandwiches are ready to eat. I'm going to test them now and you go and check out my other videos links mentioned in the description box. As I said, you need to tell me which one you like the most by writing in comment section right now. Don't forget to like and share this video. To watch these videos in Hindi and Marathi language, check out my channel Lazzatdar Recipe Hindi and Lazzatdar Recipe Marathi. I have mentioned link in description box. And yes, visit my videos coming on the screen right now. See you again in next episode. Till then, enjoy, eat and share.